Do you want a clean, stylish signature you can use anywhere? Let me show you how to create one step by step. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials. What is a signature? A signature is your personal way of writing your name. It should be unique, easy to write, and also hard to copy. Step by step guide. Write your name normally. Alright, my name is Francisca. Then you can also write your name with your initial. Francisca. My surname is O. Or you can write the both with initial, which is F-O. Now, pick a style that feels comfortable and easy for you. Make it flow. Join letters together, which is, you can write your name like Francisca. Then you bring in a line like this. This can also serve as a signature. You can also write, as my name is Francisca, or then this can also go. Then you can also write this way, only with one initial. You design it this way. This can also go. You can also join letters together, which is Francisca. This can also serve as your signature. This one is kind of tough, but it's also okay. Yeah, then you can also make it more beautiful, like more make it unique. Maybe you can start with your first name initial, which is Francisca. You design it hard for someone to copy like this. Get? Just keep it simple. Make it consistent and make sure it's fast for you to write. You can also create something. Let's use another name like Divine. Alright, Divine. You can decide to design your signature this way with your name. Are you seeing what I'm doing? This can also serve. Or let's use Sophia. You can also design your signature this way. You can see you can also design a signature which is very, very nice, looking pretty and beautiful. So this is a very easy way to form a signature. If this video is very helpful to you, you can subscribe for more tips